Now, Storm Watch 12 weather on News Watch 12.
Oh, we can take a look at where the showers are falling. We're looking here in Brookings. You can see out in the distance that hazy look. That's just rain falling in the vicinity. But it is in the 50s right now. It is 55 degrees, not much wind. Visibility down to 1.5 miles from the rain and some fog throughout the area as well. Here in Medford, you can see it's plenty of cloud cover as well, but no rain, although we did have just a little bit earlier this morning, but it is 56 cool degrees. There's still low clouds and fog right along the Oregon coast. The visibility anywhere between 1 and 2 miles, but 1.25 mile for Gold Beach, 1.5 over in Brookings. Dense fog over towards Mount Sexton. It's pretty hard to see. It's near zero visibility at this particular time. It's probably a little bit higher than that, maybe like 1/4 mile or 1/8 of a mile. But current temperatures right now in the vicinity into the mid 50s along the Oregon coast. Upper 50s out towards Grants Pass, 59 degrees, 56 in Medford, 57 degrees in Eagle Point. Current temperatures for Siskiyou County pretty much into the 50s, although we do have a few 60s on the map. 60 in Montague, 58 degrees right now in Weed. But in Klamath and Lake counties, temperatures much different into the 40s and 50s. Cool, 47 in Chemult, 54 in Chiloquin, also 54 in Klamath Falls. So we do have bands of showers over the region east of the Cascades. We did have a band move right through Chemult over down towards Kirk, pushing off towards the east. Eventually it'll make it over towards Christmas Valley here within probably the next hour. We did have a few showers, light showers over the Rogue Valley. Those are pushed off towards the east. More showers, a lot more plentiful showers along the Oregon coast, and they will continue to move into the area over the next several hours. Here's the area of low pressure centered offshore. This will continue to filter into the region over the next several hours. Now, we haven't really had smoke in the region, which has been great, but that may change for later this afternoon out towards Lakeview. You could see a little bit of some light smoke from fires in northeastern California, but that shouldn't last very long and should push out of the region, especially by tomorrow. Rainfall amounts have been very light throughout the region, less than 1/10 of an inch, especially along the Oregon coast. We've only picked up 100th here in Medford so far. That'll change as we get into the afternoon. In fact, with the heating of the day later this afternoon, say 3, 4, or 5 o'clock, we'll start seeing thunderstorms being possible. And at least with those thunderstorms, we could easily see some rain, heavy at times with those thunderstorms. But they'll continue to push off towards the east. You can see out towards Lakeview and Lake County, plenty of showers this evening. And we go through the overnight hours, and we'll have that threat of showers and thunderstorms into Siskiyou County. And that continues to push off towards the east during the overnight hours. And Saturday morning, still lingering showers, but those will stay east of the Cascades. And eventually, once we get past the afternoon hours, all those showers will really start to dissipate throughout the region as our low pressure moves away. And then by the time we get towards Sunday, we'll start seeing some high clouds from another system. Today, we're looking at temperatures very cool and cloudy. Temperatures only getting into the mid 60s, showers, and again, that chance of thunderstorms throughout the day. Forecast a high of 66 in Medford, 64 though in Klamath Falls. So here's our system that's giving us the showers for today. That'll dip down to the south, take the shower threat with it, but by the time we get to Sunday, it's well east of us, and we're going to have high pressure starting to build in. In fact, we're going to warm up pretty nicely as we get towards next week. In fact, we're going to be well into the 80s for some parts of the day during next week. But our forecast lows for tonight, 51 in Medford, 43 out in Klamath Falls. For tomorrow, we're looking at 50s and 60s, 47 though out in Lakeview, 61 in Medford. We could be looking at, again, some showers throughout the region, lingering showers for tomorrow, but dry once we get towards Sunday of next week. And temperatures are going to stay well below normal until we get to about Wednesday of next week. But the Oregon coast forecast will go from the 50s for today all the way to the 70s by the time we get to Tuesday. Northern California, showers and thunderstorms decreasing tomorrow, and temperatures will rebound into the 70s by Monday. Klamath Basin will be in the 60s today, upper 50s for tomorrow, and then temperatures climb back into the 60s and 70s for the rest of the week. Cascades, 50s today, barely making it to 50 for Saturday, and then temperatures climb right back up into the 60s beginning on Monday. And the Rogue Valley, showers likely for today, decreasing for tomorrow, warmer and drier beginning on Sunday.